Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment today to look at this custom 8.5 by 20 concession trailer. Starting off with the front. We can see a generator platform, triple tube tongue, breakaway cable, safety chains, coupler for a 10 5/16 ball, and our front jack. On the front of the trailer there is an access door to get to the electric and plumbing components. Now the plumbing is going to be a mixture of PVC and PEX piping. 30-gallon fresh water tank there. We've got our water heater, water pump. On the side of the trailer we can see the city water fill box. It does have a lock on it, so you can connect a 3/4 inch hose and have pressurized water, or you can fill a full port. That way when you lock it, nobody can tamper with your water. The entry door does have an RV style bar lock. The wheels on the trailer are steel. The trailer does have an RV style drain, so it'll have a pull release valve there and a 3-inch cap. Walking in the trailer, there is a recessed step, ATP flooring. We've got our front cabinet base, which is white. 3-bay sink, hand washing sink. The 3-bay sink does have drain boards, and the hand sink. It's got splash guards. Cabinets are super easy to operate. This is push button. We can see our concession window from the inside with glass and screens. This trailer does have aluminum mill walls and ceiling. Commercial grease hood and AC. Built-in upper shelving. And plugs going down the walls for appliances. This trailer does have rear ramp. Also has a transition flap. The ramp is spring assisted to make it easier for loading and unloading. On the passenger side of the trailer, we can see it has additional flip up. We have our concession window and flip up counter. Now it is white as well. We can see the LED lights on the exterior. In the front has 2 propane cages for 100-pound cylinders. If you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720 and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.